This video is going to explain how to register and vote for our automated garbage truck LEGO Ideas project. The first step is to visit our project page on LEGO Ideas by following the bit.ly link that we provided here. Or you can go to the LEGO Ideas site and search for our automated garbage truck project. Then you can click on the blue support button, and when prompted that you'll need to be signed in to do that, click the sign in button. This procedure assumes you don't have an account yet, so click the don't have an account. And then you'll be presented with a brief form to fill out your personal information. So fill that out and click the box to accept the terms and click next. You'll be prompted to enter an activation code that's sent to the email address you provided in the previous step. Check your email for an email with a subject that starts with LEGO activation code and enter the 6-digit code provided in that email into the web form and click next. Click the close button on the screen that says congratulations. You'll be taken to the main LEGO Ideas site with a pop-up that says almost there. Click the checkbox to accept the LEGO Idea Terms of Service and click agree. You can easily change your username later. Now you need to activate your LEGO Ideas profile, which can be one of the most confusing parts of this process. After clicking agree, you should see a message indicating that an email was sent to your email address. Check your email for a message with the subject LEGO Ideas, confirm your activation. In many cases, this email ends up either in the Gmail promotions folder or in a spam folder, so if you don't see that email in your inbox, check those locations. This is a different email than the congratulations on your new LEGO account email. Once you've located the confirm your activation email, open it and click the activate your account link. You'll be taken to the LEGO Ideas site. You can click no when prompted to answer some questions. You're almost there. You can use the bit.ly link to navigate back to our project page on the LEGO Ideas site. You should be taken to the LEGO Ideas Automated Garbage Truck project page, and you should be logged in and ready to click support. Click the support button, and you should see a pop-up showing congratulations and your supporter number. Consider sharing the project, and when you navigate back to the page, you should see the button now says supporting. The final step is to scroll down and click the comment tab and leave us a comment. We love the feedback, and the comments help us with visibility on the LEGO Ideas site. Thanks so much for supporting our LEGO Ideas Automated Garbage Truck project.